Welcome back to Guanjing Method. In today's lesson, we are diving deeper into the silk fans. If you're a beginner and you want to get to know your silk fans, or even if you're curious and you don't own a pair of silk fans, this lesson is for you. Now, if you have your silks, you can grab your pair now. If you don't, you will need 2 lightweight scarves. Today, we are learning a double close fan formation, taking and separating our fans. Let's take the fans and swing them, alternating them up and back, up and back, flicking a little bit at the end. You can walk back and forth. You can walk side to side, but make sure you have it nice and level to the pelvis. You can even come and bring it in and twirl, and taking the arms out, twirling, making sure the arms are in line with the shoulders. Close, and now you can switch in the other direction, taking it over to the other direction, closing, flicking out and closing. And then from here, as we flick out, instead of closing, we bring them together, meeting the staves together. We create this beautiful shape with our fans. And then from here, we can twirl around, move it up and back, swinging around the head. And you can play around with this movement. It's really fun, organic, and there's not really a way for you to mess up here. So have some fun. I hope to see you in the online silks training online in the Guanjing Method portal, and we'll see you there.